Hey everybody, Matt here. Just a real quick video today with a tip on preventing cross-threading. So I'm going to demonstrate this tip using this jar, a little blender jar, and a 1/4 threaded rod and nut. So starting with the jar, plastic jar, this has a really coarse thread on it. In fact, there's only one thread all the way around the jar, and there's about 1.5 threads on the lid. And this is a right-hand thread, meaning when you turn the lid clockwise, right-handed, in the right-hand direction, it tightens. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? So the tip is this. So you take your lid and you turn it counterclockwise or to the left, and when you do, you hear that click? The threads will automatically seat themselves, and then you know that you're not going to cross thread the part. Do that one more time. This is really a very easy example to show because the thread is so coarse. The lid actually does make a pretty loud popping sound when it seats itself. So again, I'm going to turn it to the left. Now it's seated. Now I can turn it to the right and tighten the lid. Here's the jar I use to mix my smoothies in the morning. Okay, so this has also a coarse thread, but there's several of them. And likewise, the matching thread, of course, on the blender top. So I will do the same thing. I'm going to stick the blender top on top, and I'm going to move it to the left, counterclockwise. Hear that pop? Now the threads are seated, and I can thread it on. One more time. Yeah. Now, it also works with finer threads. This is a 1/4 threaded rod and nut. So again, if I do the same thing and I turn the nut counterclockwise, as in this way, hear that pop? Now the threads are seated. Try one more time. It's a little awkward to try and show. There we go. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that tip proves useful. By all means, feel free to check out some of the other videos on my channel. And if you like what you see, consider subscribing. Till next time, take care.